I love having these conversations with hairdressers. I think that this is an industry that needs these kind of discussions.
Just get away from yourself, step aside. Just do it.
I feel like events like this and being able to chat and like open up, let's talk, let's see how we can help each other. That is truly how we can win.
No one should have to go through hard trials alone. No one should heal alone, have to go through the trauma alone. There are people who want to lift you up and want to support you.
And I really think if you want to change your life, be around people who are good.